Good day viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the following interesting problem. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. Thank you. Today we have this problem which reads, if square root of x all over x plus 1 equals 2 all over the square root of 7, then what is the value of this expression? X all over x squared plus 1. Okay, how do we solve this problem? Many may think that the best way to solve this problem is to cross multiply, then forming a quadratic equation. Do we even know whether the roots are going to be complex, imaginary, or integers? Okay, if the roots are going to be integers, then we can easily evaluate this. Let's say integers like, let's say -2 or something like 2, 1, 3, and so on. But in this case, what if the roots are complex? How do we evaluate this? Then we look for a calculating device. So instead of checking whether the roots are going to be complex or forming a quadratic equation, so there is a very smart way. I'm gonna show you guys now. Okay. Now, solution. We have that the square root of x all over x plus 1 is equal to 2 all over root 7. Okay, so I'm gonna square both sides of this equation. So let me see what will happen. Okay, now squaring both sides of this equation, so I think I have square root of x all over x plus 1 squared is equal to 2 all over square root of 7 squared. Okay, so there is one indices law we're going to use here, and we have a by b raised to power 2. Okay, let me just use n general. So this is the same as a raised to power n all over b raised to power n. So from here we have here the square root of x raised to power 2 all over 1 plus x raised to power 2, and also here 2 raised to power 2 all over the square root of 7 raised to power 2. Okay, now let us know that the square root of x raised to power 2, the square root and the square cancel out, so we're left with x. So all over 1 plus x squared is equal to here, so we have 4 all over 7. Okay, now what do we do from this place? Okay, how do we even know if we are like getting something that will look like this expression? Because okay, let us see what will happen in this expression when we try to simplify it more. I have x all over x squared plus 1. Okay, so if I divide the numerator and the denominator by x, let's say throughout divide by x, so I have x all over x all over x squared plus 1 all over x. Okay, so I'm gonna have 1 all over here x plus 1 all over x, right? So we need to get an expression that will look like this, so like x plus 1 all over x. So this is what we simplify this to. So in the equation, I think I need something that will look exactly like this, maybe something like taking reciprocal, and we get the value of this without any calculating device. So let's see what we're gonna do here. So now from here, let me just take reciprocal of both sides of this equation. So look at what I mean. A raised to power -1 is equal to 1 all over a. So this is what I mean, or 1 all over a raised to power, okay, 1 all over a raised to power -1. So I think this is a. Okay, so this is what I mean. So if you take reciprocal of both sides of this equation from this place, so you know what we're gonna have. So we have x plus 1 raised to power 2 all over x, okay, is equal to 7 all over 4. Okay, so I think this makes sense. So expanding this x plus 1 raised to power 2, we are very familiar with the expansion of that. So I think we have x raised to power 2 plus 2x plus 1, okay, all over x. So this is equal to 7 all over 4. Let's see what will happen from this place. So let's simplify this, like splitting this denominator here. So we have x raised to power 2 over x plus 2x over x plus 1 over x is equal to 7 all over 4. Okay, so reducing, so like just simplifying this left hand side of this equation. So we have the x plus 2 plus 1 all over x is equal to 7 all over 4. Okay, now we're going to rearrange this left hand side, so it will look like this: x plus 1 all over x plus 2 is equal to 7 all over 4. So this is what we have from this place. So we're subtracting 2 from both sides since this 2 is positive. So we have this x plus 1 over x is equal to 7 all over 4 minus 2. Okay, so let's put this over 1 and simplify this. So simplifying this from here, so we have 7 over 4 minus 2 is the same as 8 over 4, so we have negative 1/4. So from here now we have here x plus 1 all over x is equal to negative 1 all over 4. Let's see what we're going to do from this place. Simplifying this place, so we have common denominator here to be x. So we have common denominator to be x here. So we have x raised to power 2 plus 1 like this, and this is equal to negative 1/4. Okay, so from here take reciprocal of both sides once again. So we get x all over x raised to power 2 plus 1 is equal to, the reciprocal of negative 1 all over 4 is what? Minus 4. And this is the answer to the problem, because if we check the expression above, so look at the expression above. So this is what we are asked to evaluate: x all over x raised to power 2 plus 1. Okay, check it and compare it to the expression we are arriving. So we have x all over x raised to power 2 plus 1, and that is negative 4. So this is the answer to the problem. Thank you for viewing, and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you.